Hello everyone, welcome to my class with SA. I know our topic for today is sound E. 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 First, our learning objectives. Number one, by the end of this lesson, learners should be able to describe the E sound in English. Number two, learners should be able to correctly produce or pronounce the E sound in speech. Number three, learners should be able to identify words containing the E sound in English. Um, the E sound. This sound is described as high front short vowel sound. High front short vowel sound. Don't forget, I've told you that the vowel sounds are described in terms of horizontal tongue position and vertical tongue position. So this sound can be found in many words. Do you understand? And the implication of this is that the spelling symbols represent, all these symbols represent this sound in these words. That is the essence of this. The underlined letter or letters represent the E sound in all of these words. So let's start. The first letter is letter I. Okay, so letter I can represent this sound in words. For instance, sit, trivial, sip, kiss, lip, beat, pick, sick, tick, hit, give, milk, knit, requisite, favorite, fruition, etc. The next one, letter U or letter U, okay, in English, also represents this sound in some words. For instance, business, minute, busy, etc. The next is letter E, okay, as in uh, encourage, English, embargo, embarrass, exam, rescind, forest, acme, acne, secede, market, event, packet, basket, bucket, pocket, impetus, essential, especially, erect, escape, entice, infuse, remittance, etc. The UI, okay, letter UI too represent this sound as in build, requisite, biscuit, circuit, guitar, guilt, building, etc. Letter A too can represent this sound in some words. Okay, example, advantage, village, courage, manage, mortgage, leakage, luggage, package, lineage, damage, bondage, frontage, etc. So letter O can also represent this sound. For instance, women. So this letter E2, okay, in this word, don't forget the plural of woman, okay? It is women, women. So when you check the dictionary, transcription dictionary, so this is what you are going to see there. See? So women, meaning that this is how this word should be pronounced. This is the plural of women. Okay, so the last one here is forfeit, forfeit, forfeit. and so on and so forth. The sound is pronounced as E, E, E. And all the uh, letters underlined in these words represent this sound. That is how these words should be pronounced. Do you understand? I hope we have been able to cover the learning objectives. I believe you have learned a thing or two from today's class. Please don't forget to follow me, like this video, comment, and share. Thanks, and God bless you. Bye.